Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about service intervals on your vehicle. If you've purchased a vehicle recently or have been paying attention, everybody's talking about extending the service intervals out on your engine and not changing oil as early as we used to. I do have to agree with folks, the 3,000 mile interval's kind of gone, but there is some intervals that we strongly recommend from the West Automotive Group versus the manufacturer. But first, let's talk about what manufacturers are doing. They're often recommended to not service a vehicle's engine oil and filter to up to 8 to 12,000 miles, depending on the manufacturer and the vehicle. If this is a vehicle you're going to keep, here's some of the problems that we're seeing. Often these vehicles will come in low on oil, and when they do, it can cause damage. When you run an engine that long on the same amount of oil, it often tends to burn some oil. And there are some manufacturers out there that are having even more problems with consuming oil. Our recommendation at the West Automotive Group is to change your oil and filter at 5,000 miles if using full synthetic oil. In doing so, you will keep your engine in good working order and keep your investment in good working order and save yourself a lot of money down the road. It often can also help with gas mileage, and it's not a bad idea to have the vehicle looked at properly by a qualified technician every 5,000 miles.
Join the Automan next Friday at 9 a.m. following News 8 Morning Extra on the CW. Plus, you can listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on AM 760 KFMB.